Morning student, today we will discuss about the program number 2 and page number 59. Okay, question is here: a shopkeeper offer 10% discount on the printed price of a mobile phone. However, a customer has to pay 9% GST on the remaining amount. Write the program in Java to calculate the amount to be paid by the customer taking printed price as an input. So in this program, first of all, we have to calculate the offer discount. 10% means 10 upon 100 means 0.1 discount, and GST 9%. So 9 upon 100 it means 0.09. So first of all, we will keep the mind the percentage like this, and then after that we will solve the problem. How we will solve the problem? First of all, we will import the file, program number 2. So first of all, we will import the file. Import java dot util dot scanner and then semicolon. Okay, now next step is we have to define the class. Public class, and then you can use any variables according to the question. Suppose we have to write here invoice. We have to make the invoice, then open brace. Then after that we have to use the public, have to write public void, you know very well. Yeah, you can write here, suppose anywhere you can write computer, your computer amount, and then function, then again open brace, then scanner in is equal to new sc, then new scanner. Here you will write new scanner system dot n. Okay, now next, now we have to enter the value of the MRP. First of all, we have to give the MRP, then after that it will calculate into the discount, and then we will get the price list. Okay, now we have to give the statement, output statement, system dot out dot print ln. We have to input the value. For the input the value, we have to give the statement enter MRP. You can write enter the MRP, enter the market price, enter the maximum price. You can write anything in the double quotes. Okay, now bracket close and then semicolon. Then after that we have to store the value of the MRP. You are using here scanner function, so you know what statement you have to use for store the values. MRP may be in the data type of the double, so you will write here double MRP is equal to in dot next double, 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 and then double function and then semicolon. Okay. Now we have to calculate the price after the discount. So maybe data type double, double, price, double price, and D. I am writing here D in the short. Means discount, after the discount is equal to MRP is equal to, now discount is given 10%. So 10% means 10 upon 100, it means 0.1. Okay, 0.1 multiply by MRP. Okay, now bracket close and semicolon, and then next double. Now we have to price with GST. So we can write here price with GST. We have written here in short G. Okay, is equal to price discount, price after discount, we have written here discount for D, then plus and price GST, and sorry price after discount, price discount multiply by 0.9 means 9 upon 100. So when you will calculate, so 0.09 will come. Then we have to take the output, it means result, according to the question. System dot out dot print ln, then price after 10% and 9% GST. Okay, in double quotes you will close and then plus, and then we have to write here price G. This variable you have to print. Okay, now you close the curly bracket, second bracket first and then second. Okay.